Hello friends, welcome to my Ace Aero Study channel. Today we are going to discuss about our new topic, that is asteroids. Now the question is, what are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky metallic objects which range in size from about the size of pebbles to around 600 miles, which is nearly about 1000 kilometers across. Although they orbit the sun, they are too small to be considered planets. Asteroids are thought to be leftover material from the formation of our solar system. Most are found in the asteroid belts, a donut-shaped ring which lie between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are also known as space rocks. They are rocky remnants that travel in the solar system. As I have already said that asteroids orbit the sun and are rocky metallic bodies. Okay, so they are made up of several rocks and metals like nickel, iron, etc. Asteroids are also known as minor planets because they are very small than planets or moon. Okay, asteroids do not have an atmosphere, but it is said that about 150 asteroids are known which have small moon that orbit them. Now the next one is asteroid belts. The asteroid belt is the region of space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, where most of the asteroids in our solar systems are found orbiting the sun. The asteroid belts probably contain millions of asteroids. Astronomers think that the asteroid belt is made up of materials that was never able to form into a planet, or of the remains of a planet which broke apart a very long time ago. The asteroids in the asteroid belts come in a variety of sizes. Some are very small, which is less than a mile across, while others are quite large. The largest asteroid is called Ceres. It is about 1/4 the size of the moon, which is also called as dwarf planet. Now let's get to know more about our largest asteroid. The largest asteroid is called Ceres, which we have already discussed. It is about 1/4 the size of the moon and orbits between Mars and Jupiter in a region called the asteroid belts. Unlike asteroid belts, Ceres is spherical in shape. Ceres was discovered by the Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801. As he searched a planet which was predicted to exist between Mars and Jupiter. It was the first asteroid was discovered. As I have already said that it is a dwarf planet. What do you think? Asteroids have moon? Let's find out. Yes, asteroids can have moons. Some of the larger asteroids in our solar systems actually do have moons. In 1993, and tiny moons called Dactyl was discovered orbiting the large asteroid Ida. Dactyl is only about 1 mile wide, while Ida is about 19 miles across. Since then, several other moons have been discovered orbiting asteroids. In 1999, an 8-mile wide moon called Petit Prince was discovered orbiting the 135-mile wide asteroid Eugenia. Okay, in 2000, the 90-mile wide asteroid Pulkova was discovered to have its own moon, about 9 miles wide. Now let's see the classification of asteroids. Asteroids lie within the 3 regions of the solar system. Most asteroids lie in a vast ring between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These main asteroid belts hold more than 200 asteroids larger than 60 miles in diameter. Okay, scientists estimate the asteroid belts also contains between 1.1 million and 1.9 million asteroids larger than 1 kilometer in diameters and millions of smaller ones. Now the next one is, many asteroids lie outside the main belt. Trojan asteroids orbit a larger planet in 2 special places known as Lagrange point, where the gravitational pull of the sun and the planets are balanced. Jupiter Trojan are the most numerous, boasting nearly as high a population as the main asteroid belt. Neptune, Mars and Earth also have Trojan asteroids. Now the other classification of asteroid is on basis of their orbits and on their compositions. There are three types of asteroids. The first one is the C-type. The C-type or carbonaceous asteroids are grayish in color and are the most common, including more than 75% of known asteroids. They probably consist of clay and stony silicates rocks and inhabit the main belt's outer regions. Okay. Now the next one is the S-type or silicaceous asteroids, which are greenish to reddish in color, account for about 17% of known asteroids and dominate the inner asteroid belt. They appear to be made of silicate materials and nickel iron. Now the last one is our M-type or metallic asteroids, which are reddish in color and dwell in the middle region of the main belt. They seem to be made of nickel iron. Now the question arises in our mind that where did asteroids come from? Asteroids are left over from the formation of our solar system. Our solar system began about 4.6 billion years ago when a big cloud of gas and dust collapsed. When this happened, most of the material fell to the center of the cloud and formed the sun. Some of the condensing dust in the cloud became planets. The object in the asteroid belts never had a chance to be incorporated into planets. They are left over from that time long ago when planets formed. Okay. Now let's find out which spacecraft is landed on an asteroid. On February 12, 2001, flight controller landed NASA's NEAR spacecraft on an asteroid called Eros. NEAR was the first spacecraft to orbit and touch down on the surface of an asteroid. NEAR begins orbiting earlier, on February 14, 2000. The spacecraft collected close-up photographs and measured the size and shape of Eros before landing. Okay. Now the next thing which comes in your mind is, can an asteroid hit Earth? Let's find out. It is possible that an asteroid may hit Earth one day, but the chances of this happening are very small. Most asteroids are located in the asteroid belts and stay between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, which is very far from us. However, some are in orbits which can take them closer to Earth. Astronomers are always watching the sky, and some of them specialize in tracking these asteroids. If an asteroid was heading for Earth, now here are the two incidents which recently has been occurred. The first one is asteroid 52768, that is 1998 OR2, whose date of arrival is 29 April 2020, whose size of orbit is 1.8 to 4.1 kilometer, and its distance from the Earth is 6.3 million kilometer. Now the next asteroids which are coming on 21st of May, that is 136795, or we also known as by the name 1997 BQ, whose date of arrival is 21st May 2020, whose size of orbit is much smaller than the previous one, that is 0.64 to 1.4 kilometer, and its distance from the Earth is about 6.2 million kilometer.